Hey guys, me Joey back with another YouTube video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to copy an NPC and put it inside of a beehive so that you can use it inside any realm, any world, anything like that. So first, uh, open NBT editor, so click that, and then click on this. Then, click on this creeper, and then you have to click on your NPC. It'll say like need to click on NPC, stuff like that. For me it doesn't show that because I already did this. It's my second take in recording. So let's click it. Gives me all the stuff for the NPC. It will destroy it unless you're in survival. So I'd say I'd recommend setting yourself to survival first. But then all you do is click the three dots, edit, and copy all of this. Select all, copy. Once it's copied, you can go to this file that I'm going to link in the description. Then you just keep it open and then just minimize it if you want. Go into a random file, okay, just like anything that you could type in, and paste it in there. Then go to the this part right here where it says actions. So it's going to be in the first line, and start here and then copy all the way down to here. Then copy that, reopen back up this one, and then backspace twice to get rid of the back to here. Then just paste. Control V. Then do this and save. And there you go. So now let's open this back up. Copy all of it. Go back into here. And let's add it to my inventory. So edit. Control. Oops. First I need to click on the sword to go to my hand. Then here. Paste. Tap done. And there you go. You have a beehive. It's because it's nighttime, I need to light it with flint and steel. You have a beehive with the NPC inside of it. It's got all the things, like time set day. There you go. Yeah, so that's the tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.